Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to cut video in Capcut. Alright, and here I have imported my video, and as you can see that my video is too long, so we are going to cut this video. Alright, the first thing we should do is we have to place this separator to the part that we want to cut. We can go right like this, or we can go left. And I'm going to place this separator right here, and after that we can click on the video. Then we gotta click on split option to split the part, and we can click on delete to cut the unwanted part of our video. Alright, and now the unwanted part of our video has been cut, and we can also cut the video by clicking on the video like this, and we can drag it like this. Alright, and that's so easy, right? And I'm going to cut it one more time because it's still too long. Like this. We can simply drag the clip. Alright. Okay guys, that's how we can cut video in Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.